90% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. 90%. Think about that. These are people who solve the one problem everyone thinks is the whole problem: money. And most of them end up right back where they started. So what actually happens? It's not bad luck. It's not the economy. It's something much simpler, and it applies to regular people too, not just lottery winners. Here's reason number 1. Sudden money doesn't come with sudden skill. Managing $10,000 and managing $10 million are completely different skills. Nobody teaches you the second one, so people just guess. Reason number 2. Lifestyle inflation on steroids. A normal raise might tempt you to upgrade your phone. Winning millions overnight tempts you to upgrade everything: house, cars, vacations, gifts for everyone you know. And once your spending expands that fast, it rarely contracts back down. The lifestyle becomes the new normal, even if the income doesn't last. Reason number 3. They treat it like income, not capital. A lump sum of money is not a paycheck. It's a resource that either grows or slowly disappears. If you spend a lump sum like it refills every month, eventually it just doesn't. Reason number 4, and this one's the biggest: no financial identity shift. Their money changed overnight. Their habits, mindset, and decision-making didn't. You can hand someone a fortune, but if the habits that build wealth were never learned, the fortune just gets managed by the same habits that had nothing before. Here's the part that matters for you and me, even without winning the lottery. Wealth isn't just the amount of money you have. It's the system you have for handling it. Someone who saves and invests consistently, even in small amounts, builds a system. Someone who suddenly gets a lot of money without that system is just borrowing time before it's gone. So the real lesson isn't about lottery winners. It's this: if your money habits can't handle small amounts well, more money won't fix that. It just makes the problem bigger and faster. If this made you think differently about money, hit subscribe. I break stuff like this down every week. And tell me in the comments, if you won the lottery tomorrow, what's the first money habit you'd actually stick to?